smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless and we owned it. I can see it in your eyes, cause they never tell.
Hey guys, it's me again, Charlyn, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last upload. I've been very busy lately and I got sick a little bit also, but thank God nothing serious. And other than that, got paranoid also of what is happening everywhere right now, and we are required to stay at home. But anyways, life must go on, and I am here again with another video to give you some positive thoughts. Most of us are staying at home or working from home. These past few months, we are all worried on how to manage our finances since we don't have that much income due to the current situation. No work, no pay. And we don't know how or where to start to earn something. Well, it's not the end of everything yet. There are still opportunities or ways for us to earn something while staying at home. To see an opportunity, we must be open to all thoughts and widen our vision to see it. We are talking about online opportunities. And that's what are we going to talk about on this video. I will share with you 2 legit applications and ways to earn some cash while staying at home. And no need to work for long hours. You can actually do it on your free time. By the way guys, if you are just new here on my channel, click that subscribe button now and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my new uploads. So without further ado, let's start with the first application. Clickworker.
Clickworker. Make profit from your talents. Clickworker is a leading microtasking marketplace catering data management and web research services as well as algorithms training. As a Clickworker, you can earn money working completely independent on your own schedule from any personal computer with internet access. And how it works, just simply sign up at clickworker.com. Or you can also do it on Clickworker app. Fill out your user profile, complete short assessments, good results ensure many jobs, process your jobs online, and get paid on a weekly or monthly basis. There are various types of jobs on Clickworker, just like text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, surveys, mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing, audio recordings, and video recordings. Now, the first thing that comes on our head, how much we can make on Clickworker. You can actually make an average of $9 per hour on Clickworker and well over $10 per hour with experience and concentration. And you can cash out your earnings via SEPA or PayPal. Make money with your skills and talents. Become a Clickworker.
And the second one is Hivework.
Hivework. Simple task, real money. Hivework is a micro-worker-based money-making website where you could earn decent money. Hivework allows talented and hardworking people to make extra money through small jobs that can be done from anywhere in the world at any time. How do we make money on Hive? There are 4 easy steps to get paid. All you need is an internet-connected device to get started. 1. Sign up or register directly or use your Facebook profile. 2. Apply for jobs. 3. Complete the task. And 4. Get paid weekly via PayPal or Bitcoin. Hivework jobs are very simple like categorizations, bounding boxes, audio transcriptions, and semantic segmentation. You can easily make $40 a week and get more rewards by completing simple tasks. You can also earn additional $2 through referrals. So, that is how simple it is. Everything is in your reach.
So that's all guys, and I hope you get something out from this video. And if you want to see more of my new uploads or videos like this, just simply subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you very much for watching and see you again next time. Bye!